find out what kind of piece of shit them is. You don't want nothing to do with them. Especially if them come in yard, come brag and talk about how them beat them wife. You realize him and the woman still together, happy, a fucking lie them at tell. You hear? Me have a piece of demons if you do this, and me have to tell you. I like a dog shit to me left long time ago. Long time ago, me left him. Me used to talk long year, a couple years ago. Him feel like me and him still a talk up till today. Nothing can tell him say me and him woman up till this moment, even me and him not sleep together. Him feel me and him woman. Him feel like him buy me and him own me. Right? You can't come to a man, you call up my phone and text my phone with all kind of fucker to my phone. I don't know what your problem is. Right? Me live a house with a man. You call me no one day say hi and me say hi to you. You want to take it to the next level. Want to go and like say me your woman and me must come back and sleep with you and me must this and me not that. Right? Right? And pay more talk. The action not stand up anymore. Pay more talk, you talking crap. Nobody don't want to fucking hear. Alright? You're married and have a wife, you're not supposed to cheat on your wife. And if you cheat on your wife, with a woman around on the pan down, with the next woman, no good now come to you now that the woman day. I mean know a long time, that's why I not fuck with you. Because I know a liar that tell me realize he's a liar. And you can't be trusted. So I go my way and I move on with my life. Right? You call me phone, yeah this, yeah that. Right? You want to ride, you want this, you want that. If you try to get sitting over me. You come cuss me and come tell me because I tell you say don't call my phone and don't text up my phone and blowing up my phone. You go come tell me about me about 29-year-old that I find and I like and she appreciate me. If she want to appreciate her, make she go on a 29-year-old go appreciate her. Me not appreciate you. And me a 41 and me don't appreciate you. Me appreciate the man me live with. Me not appreciate you. Right? So I know what that have to do me because if a 29-year-old girl can pick you up and me no want you and I'm scared to you. Me used to do so long and me whole now. Right? Me whole now. Because I used to do for 10 years. As according to you. 10 years. We don't know where you get 10 years from. Right? So if she want to make take a wrangle and run fast. Run faster than an express mail, brother, because me no want you. Me no want you. And if you have a woman in your house and I can't talk about me not treat you good and next woman treat you good, you have next woman and me move on with my life. Me don't know what your problem is. She picking up a total disaster. But before you go on and start letter my name and call up my name and I cuss my phone and I do all kind of thing and I send all kind of message and picture to me. You don't need to send no picture to me. Me need to send a picture when me a deal down your body. Well, I fuck you a long time ago. When me go take the train, go buy a hood for fuck you. And strap it on and fucking your body. Well, dirty stinking man. Leave me alone. Stop harass my phone and stop call my phone and stop bother me. Because you're not no manhood. Your manhood last long time ago. If you tell me see your wife a